seats, it's up to them. But Chief Minister Siddaramaiah should also think that he is the Chief Minister of this state. Probably has forgotten, is acting as if he is Chief Minister of the Congress party. But let me remind to Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, you are a Chief Minister of Karnataka state, not for the Congress party. So you should not lower the dignity of the governor's post, and you should also not lower the dignity of the house.
Allegations is that the governor read his own speech. He did not read the speech of the government, which is against constitutional provision 176 and
By taking the constitution provision, you can't make governors a puppet. You can't expect governor to follow your directions. That's why I told the state government and more importantly Chief Minister, you should come forward to save the dignity of the house. You should respect the house. You should also respect the position of the Raj Bhavan. It is the Chief Minister himself who is trying to politicize and undermine the constitution provision.
But what is business acting as a political tool?
If at all, if governor wanted to act as a political tool of Bharatiya Janata Party, he could have skipped the session today. He did not do so. With the due respect to the constitution provision, Honorable Governor, His Excellency, came, he addressed the joint assembly and has done his duty. What else do they expect? So it's unfair on the part of the Congress government who is trying to politicize, who is trying to exploit the situation here in